Greetings from Industrial Safety Solutions, makers of the SafetyPro line of printers and supplies. In this video we're going to look at how to properly load ribbon in the SafetyPro ISS SP300 and SP200 printers. The ribbon can be loaded backwards, so it's important to pay close attention to how this is loaded in order to get it into the printer correctly. We're going to start with the roll of ribbon and the black plastic spindle that goes into that roll. Now you will note that spindle has a lip on one side and that is notched so that when it's in the printer it advances the ribbon properly. The easiest way to get this right is to take the roll of ribbon and place it on the table so that the ribbon, if pushed, is unwinding away from you. Okay? Set it down on the table so that if you roll the ribbon, it's unwinding away from you. Then you simply take your black plastic spindle and insert it on the right hand side. That way you have the lip on the right hand side and just insert it all the way into the roll. Okay? If you load it that direction, you will be sure to have it loaded properly. Once you have your ribbon properly loaded on the black plastic spindle, it's time to put it in the printer. So this again applies to the SafetyPro SP200 and SP300 style printers. If your printer looks like this, then this is how you load it. If you have an Evo style printer, the loading is slightly different. We're going to go ahead and open up the top of the printer, and we're going to start by and we've got to open up the printer hood as well. We're going to start by loading the supply roll. Taking a look at this one last time, you have the lip on the right hand side if you're looking at the front of the printer, and it's unwinding in this direction. You'll want to let the unwound part fall into the back of the printer so that you can reach underneath and grab it. It should be hanging down. And then you're going to hold the roll and compress the left hand spring and allow the lip side of the black plastic spindle to lock into place. Again, you'll have a piece of the ribbon hanging down into the printer. You can pull that forward just a little bit. Then you're going to want to take your rewind spindle, which is a cardboard core placed on another black plastic spindle. With a lip on the right hand side, you're going to compress the left hand spring and allow the right hand lip to lock into place. Once that's locked into place, you'll need a piece of tape. It doesn't really matter what kind of tape. There's not a lot of pressure that will be on this. You're going to grab the ribbon, pull it forward and up to the rewind spindle. Tape it to that spindle, and then grasp it with 2 thumbs and manually wind several rotations onto the rewind spindle. You will hear the gears moving and you will feel tension, but it should not stop. It should turn freely as many times as you'd like. Once that's done, you simply close up your printer and you're ready to print.